My name is Ian and welcome to Planted. I'm on a mission to share my plant knowledge so that you can have more success at home. In this episode we do a 1-year recap of a plant I got last year, the hardy banana, and how it has grown this year. So we're going to go back in time. Last year I was given access to this very large clump of the hardy banana. My friend said, come along, dig out a clump, take what you want. So I did. I featured this in a previous video and showed you how to select the area that you want to dig up, how to carefully dig it up so that you get enough root. And then we went into great detail about how to plant it. So do go back through the archive and you can see this video in its entirety. Some of the more salient points are you need to plant it the day that you get it. And you also need to make sure that you plant it at the right height. Here you can see me going to great lengths to get that crown at just the right height. Too deep and it'll hold water in the winter and rot. Too high and it'll dry out. Once you've put your plant in the ground, never ever forget to water it. You're better off coming out, watering it immediately, and then coming out an hour later and giving it some more water, and then another few hours later come and give it another drink. Because you want to hydrate not just the bit that you've dug up and moved, but you want the whole rooted mass to be hydrated. Then we fast forward to this year. This is our plant. This was put in November and here we are in September. So this is a plant that went through a very hard winter in New England, and it's been in this location for just 10 months. And it's beautiful. I love the tropical feel, the tropical look, these huge leaves. You're more used to seeing them in parts of the Caribbean. But here it is in all its glory. Some of these leaves must be 6 feet long, 2 feet wide. And I like putting it at the base of a wall. You get a bit of heat protection in the winter. And it also stops the leaves from shredding should you get a big storm come through. But they're designed to shred. That's how the plant manages to lose its wind resistance and let the wind blow through it. This plant went in as one stem. That's all I had. I think by planting it in November, which is absolutely the right time for a plant like this, it meant that it had optimum conditions to go dormant slowly. And this spring it rewarded me with not just that one stem, but it put on a whole bunch of side shoots. This plant is demonstrating to me that it's very happy, it likes its situation. I do give it water in the summer because those leaves will transpire a huge amount of volume of liquid. With winter around the corner, it will get protected. There are videos on how to protect your winter plant, so having got it going, don't lose it by forgetting to give it a bit of protection. On that note, thank you for watching Planted. Tell your friends, tell your family, and as ever, happy planting.